Hey, this is Dean at Autotech Collision Service. We are here with another post-repair inspection. This vehicle was repaired at a local shop. Customer had an accident probably roughly a month ago. AAA's insurance company referred them to their direct repair shop. Unfortunately, the direct repair shop put everything on the front here as aftermarket. Aftermarket hood, fender, headlight, bumper, grill. That's why his little rubbers are sticking out in the corner here. The fog light's loose. So everything on the front here is aftermarket, which has never been crash tested. But when the customer came to pick up his car, he actually saw some kind of minor flaws, which made him feel like that there was something going on. Once he saw that, he actually figured, you know what, this place isn't looking out for me. So he did a little research, found us online, brought his vehicle in, and these are some of the things that we found. Obviously, the little circles are just tons of dirt in the paint, but he's got huge gaps here compared to the other side. The molding's fallen off. It won't even stick to the fender. The fender must have jammed into the A-pillar, and instead of painting all the way back and down like the manufacturer recommends, they did what's called an open clear blend in here, which will probably eventually fail. There's also, once they painted it, they chipped it, putting the fender back on. The headlight jammed into the fender here and chipped it. Obviously, the gaps are lousy. The front wheel alignment, we noticed, was out of spec. When we drove the car, the steering wheel was about 1 o'clock instead of 12 o'clock. So we sent it out for an alignment, and here the car was hit on the right front, so it must have impacted the wheel, and the camber is out. So there's probably needs a couple suspension components replaced. We also scanned it and noticed that the right front wheel speed sensor is also damaged, and they never initialized the airbag system. So there was a couple codes that were showing up there. Like I say, he's got rubber sticking out here because the aftermarket part isn't holding up. One of the things that really ticked off the customer was when he picked up his car and beeped the horn. The shop told him it was probably like that when he brought it in, but unfortunately, they just never tightened up his horns. So the insurance company now is going to total his vehicle, and he's going to get another safe one that's never been in an accident. But the bottom line is, you know, this car was all boogered up, and they should have done a better job. But this shop is working for the insurance company and not the customer. Check out our YouTube channel for more videos just like this, and check out our webpage at autotechcollision.com.